Hello everyone, welcome to TNWS channel, and today in this short video I will show you how to enable secure folder and also how to store pictures, videos or anything in secure folder in Samsung Galaxy A32. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, then hit subscribe button and let's start a video without wasting any time. So to enable secure folder, just follow every step as I am showing you in this video.